Boneless chicken for 100 grams, cut into cubes. Cornstarch powder, 2 tablespoons. Red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. White pepper, 1 tablespoon. Soya sauce, 1 tablespoon. Chili sauce, 1 tablespoon. Combine well to make a smooth paste. Marinate the chicken in prepared paste. One tablespoon white pepper added to 1 cup all-purpose flour. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. Cornstarch powder, 1 tablespoon. Chicken powder, 1 tablespoon. Coat the marinated chicken pieces with flour mixture. Give a dip in chilled water. Give a second coat with the flour mixture. Deep fry in preheated oil until light golden. Take out on clean kitchen towel paper.